Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on Xiaomi Redmi K90. Alright, so let's launch our settings. Once we are here, click on About Phone, scroll down and click on Backup and Restore. And we can create a local backup. We can also copy our backup into our computer. We can use Xiaomi Cloud and also the Google backup. Let's begin with the mobile device. When it comes to this method of the backup, you need to remember that this backup will be stored in the internal storage. So for example, after the reset of your device, the backup will be also deleted. So I highly recommend copying it into the computer, and I'll also show you how you can do it. First, let's click on Agree, and now select which things you would like to backup. If you have selected everything, click on Backup, then click on Got It. Click on Backup once again. The process has now started, so we need to wait until it's finished. Alright, 100%. Click on Finish, and now our backup has been successfully created. When it comes to the computer, I'll show you how to copy it later. Don't worry. And we also have the Xiaomi Cloud. We can tap on that. If you would like to use this method, you need to have your Xiaomi account created and you need to be signed in. And then all you need to do is to click on the backups, and now simply hit on Backup Now button. Okay, and now the Google backup. Simply tap. Down below you have the backup details. You need to make sure that photos and videos and other device data are turned on. If they are not, simply tap on each option and turn it on. Also under other device data, as you tap on it, we can see our Google account that we are currently logged into. And on that account, our backup will be saved and stored. So for example, if you want to restore your backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup. Also, you need to have some free storage space. If you don't have enough, simply click on Clean Up Space or Get Storage. And here we have a list of things that will be copied. Alright, and now to create a backup, simply hit this green button, Backup Now. In here a small circle appeared, as you can see, and it's going to fulfill slowly. Basically, when it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. We'll also see a notification on the bottom of the screen if everything goes fine. So I'll see you in a second. Okay. On the other device data, we can see that the backup has been created 0 minutes ago, so it's like a confirmation that everything went successfully. Alright, and now I'll show you how to copy your local backup into your computer, so it will be saved. It will be stored safely. So I'll launch my computer and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, first we need to connect our phone into our computer using the USB-C cable. Okay, now open up the notification bar, click on charging this device via USB and select File Transfer / Android Auto. Now we need to launch our File Explorer. Select your Xiaomi, click on Internal Shared Storage. Now open MIUI folder, now Backup, All Backup, and here we have our zip folder with the backup. So simply now copy it into your computer. In here I have created a folder on my desktop. I have named it Xiaomi Backup. So now simply drag this file into the folder. As you can see, it has been successfully copied. So now our backup is safely stored on our computer. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.